Hello, this is Alex from MediaMaker.tips. In this video, we will find out which is the worst camera over 300 bucks. Our research is based on the image quality and will help us to identify which camera class usually has the worst image quality. Also, we will answer the question, is it possible to get a bad image quality for a camera for 300 bucks? And how this camera compares to other same price cameras. Let's take a look at the specs first. On the third place of our top 3 worst cameras is Samsung WB2200F. The specs are telling us two most important things. First, the sensor size. It is very small. And second, the very long zoom range, which usually mean that the image quality will be degraded. The small sensor and long zoom range is the case of all our top 3 worst cameras. Initially, I wanted to find top 3 worst cameras over 500 bucks, but I found this task very hard because at this price point the image quality is good for almost anything. Now, let's take a look at the image quality at thepreview.com. We are looking at the ISO 800 to find out the worst image quality, because ISO 800 is absolute minimum that camera must handle very well. Having good light condition, now even a smartphone will take a very good image quality. That's why we are checking the situation when the light isn't enough for camera to set ISO 100. And we are comparing our top 3 worst cameras to the Sony Alpha Nex 3N. This camera has very similar price point, but has much better image quality, as you can see. So here we can clearly see that the Samsung looks much worse. And on the second place we have Fuji S9900W. The image quality is even worse than the Samsung, while the specs are almost identical. Well, okay, on the paper the Fuji has better ISO, faster continuous shooting and slow motion video, as well as lower price point. Now let's cover what camera is our top 1 worst camera over 300 bucks. This is number 1 brand on DSLR camera market, and this is number 1 brand in our top 3 worst cameras over 300 bucks. The Canon SX 530. Not only it has bad image quality at ISO 800, but also it has pretty visible chromatic aberration issues. Sorry Canon, I love your 6D that I have used for more than 4 years now, but this 530 is a crap. You can barely use it outdoors at daytime and you can completely forget about this camera indoors. Now specs wise, comparing to our third and second places. Same sensor size, worse ISO, worse aperture, ridiculously bad continuous shooting, only 200 shots on the battery charge and price of 430 bucks. These cameras not about image quality. These cameras are about long zoom range that will help you not getting covered and will help you getting facts, not images. Okay, you will say maybe at ISO 100 the image quality will be good. Okay, let's see. Well, only Samsung WB2200 now is comparable to our Nex 3N, but Fuji and Canon still look bad. But maybe we are having bad image quality because we are looking at the actual size. Let's see how zoomed out small image would look like. And even at this point of view, it's clearly visible that our top 3 cameras look bad at ISO 3200, while Sony looks much better. I'll put 3 best camera alternatives to this price point in the description. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Thank you for watching. Bye!